Okay. So this time we have a USB-C tablet. It's brand new out of the box, and this tablet is USB on the go capable. So we're gonna try the first cable. USB-C goes into the tablet, then you plug it into the lock. You get a flashing light on the lock, and that's it. It doesn't recognize it. Then we're gonna try a second cable. Again, you get a flashing on the lock, but connect to a lock, nothing. If you unplug this, plug it back in, no changes. Same thing. We could try unplugging this, plugging it back in. You get a flashing on the lock, that's it. No, it doesn't read a lock. So we'll try the number 3 cable out of the bag. There you go. We'll take this. Again, you get a flashing on the lock, but no information is transferred to the tablet. And we'll take number 4 cable that we order. Same thing, secure. We plug it into the lock. You get a flashing on the lock. That's it, nothing. It doesn't recognize that there's a lock there. It says connect to a lock. We'll try again by doing this. Plug it in. Analyze. Nothing. Okay, you could end the recording.